मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। स्टैंडर्ड 7 सब्जेक्ट साइंस है। चैप्टर आज आपका 7 है। न्यू चैप्टर है वेदर क्लाइमेट एंड एडेप्टेशंस ऑफ एनिमल्स टू क्लाइमेट। अभी मैं आपको ये चैप्टर एक्सप्लेन करवाऊंगी। पहले आपको डेली रिपोर्ट ऑफ द वेदर इंफॉर्मेशन इज ऑन द टेलीविज़न एंड रेडियो एंड इन द न्यूज़पेपर। हमको डेली का रिपोर्ट वेदर का अपने को इंफॉर्मेशन कहाँ से मिलती है? टेलीविज़न, रेडियो एंड न्यूज़पेपर से। द डेली वेदर रिपोर्ट कैरीज इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द टेम्परेचर, ह्यूमिडिटी एंड रेनफॉल ड्यूरिंग द पास्ट 24 hours. It also predicts the weather for the day. The weather is a complex phenomenon. It is not easy to predict whether the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called weather at that place. The temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed are called the elements of the weather. The weather reports are prepared by the meteorological department of the government. There are special thermometer called maximum and minimum thermometer for measuring maximum and minimum temperature of a day. Rainfall is measured by an instrument called the rain gauge. An instrument to measure humidity is called physiobarometer and hygrometer. Climate, the average weather pattern taken over a long time as about 25 years is called the climate of the place. Climate of Kerala is hot and humid, various is in Jammu and Kashmir moderately hot and humid. Climate of Rajasthan is hot and dry. The northeastern India, where there is heavy rainfall, the climate is humid. Adaptations. Organisms develop special features and habits to help them survive in the condition in which they live is called adaptation. The polar regions are covered with snow and it is very cold for most part of the year. The polar bears have white fur which protects them from predators. They have two thick layers of fur and a layer of fat under the skin which protect them against extreme cold. Penguins also possess such adaptations. Rainforests are the characteristics of the tropical region due to hot and humid climate. The climate condition is tropical. Rainforests are highly suitable for supporting wide varieties of plants and animals. Tropical rainforests are found in Western Ghats and Assam in India. Since the number of animals are large, there is intense competition for food and shelter in tropical rainforests. Red-eye frog, toucan bird, lion-tailed macaw, elephant, etc. are adapted to the condition of rainfall. Many tropical animals have sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight, thick skin, and a skin color, which helps them to camouflage by blending with her surroundings. क्वेश्चन 1 आएगा, नेम द एलिमेंट्स दैट डिटरमाइन द वेदर ऑफ अ प्लेस। तो आंसर आएगा द टेम्परेचर, ह्यूमिडिटी, रेनफॉल, विंड स्पीड एक्सेट्रा आर द एलिमेंट्स दैट डिटरमाइन द वेदर ऑफ अ प्लेस। क्वेश्चन 2, व्हेन आर द मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम टेम्परेचर्स लाइकली टू ऑकर ड्यूरिंग द डे। आंसर आएगा द मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर ऑफ द डे ऑकर्स जनरली इन द आफ्टरनून वाइल द मिनिमम टेम्परेचर ऑकर्स जनरली इन द अर्ली मॉर्निंग। अभी नेक्स्ट फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है। नंबर वन द एवरेज वेदर टेकन ओवर अ लॉन्ग टाइम इज कोल्ड। तो क्या आंसर आएगा द एवरेज वेदर टेकन ओवर अ लॉन्ग टाइम इज कोल्ड क्लाइमेट। क्लाइमेट में आएगा क्लाइमेट। Number two, a place receives very little rainfall and the temperature is high throughout the year. The climate of that place will be blank and blank. तो आंसर क्या आएगा hot and dry. A place receives very little rainfall and the temperature is high throughout the year. The climate of that place will be hot and dry. Next, number three, the two regions of the earth with extreme climatic conditions are blank and blank। तो क्या आएगा the tropical forest, the tropical rainforest and the polar region। ये हो गया आपके फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। अभी नेक्स्ट है indicate the type of climate of the following area: Jammu and Kashmir, number two Kerala, number three Rajasthan and C4 North is India। आंसर आएगा नंबर वन मॉडरेटली हॉट एंड वेट। नंबर केरला का आएगा नंबर टू वेरी हॉट एंड वेट। नंबर थ्री राजस्थान वेरी हॉट एंड ड्राई। नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया तो वेट आएगा। अभी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है फाइव विच ऑफ द टू चेंजेस फ्रिक्वेंटली वेदर और क्लाइमेट। तो आंसर आएगा क्लाइमेट। Next question number three. Following are some of the characteristics of animals. Diets heavy on fruits. Number two white fur. Number three need to migrate. Number four loud voice. Number five sticky pads on feet. Number six layer of fat under skin. Number seven wide and large palms. And number eight bright colors. And number nine strong tails. Number 10 long and large beak. For each characters indicate whether it is adaptation for tropical rainforest or polar region. Do you think that some of these characters can be adapted for both regions? नेक्स्ट नंबर इसका आंसर आएगा इसका कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स और एडेप्टेड विच रीजन। तो नंबर वन डाइट्स ऑन हैवी फ्रूट्स का क्या आएगा ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट। नंबर टू वाइट फॉर द पॉलर रीजन। नंबर थ्री नीड टू माइग्रेट पॉलर रीजन। नंबर फोर लाउड वाइज ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट। नंबर फाइव स्टिकी पैड्स ऑन फीट ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट। नंबर सिक्स लेयर ऑफ फैट अंडर स्किन। तो आंसर आएगा आप इसका एडेप्टेशन फॉर विच रीजन तो पॉलर रीजन। नंबर सेवन वाइड एंड लार्ज पाउच द पॉलर रीजन। नंबर एट ब्राइट कलर्स ट्रॉपिकल रेनफॉल। नंबर नाइन स्ट्रॉन्ग टेल्स ट्रॉपिकल रेनफॉल। नंबर 10 लॉन्ग एंड लार्ज बिग ट्रॉपिकल रेनफॉल। ये आपका क्या हो गया अभी इसका नो वन और नॉन ऑफ दिस कैरेक्टर्स कैन बी एडेप्टेड फॉर बोथ रीजन्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है नंबर 7। The tropical rainforest has a large population of animals. Explain why it is also। तो आंसर आएगा the tropical rainforest is located around the equator. It has hot and humid climate. This region gets plenty of rainfall. Days and nights are almost equal in length throughout the year due to continuous warmth and rain. This region supports wide variety of plants. Such condition is suitable for animals to get food and shelter. So the tropical rainforest has a large population of animals. Next question है क्वेश्चन नंबर 8। Explain with example why we find animals of certain kind living in particular climate conditions। तो आंसर आएगा animals are adapted to survive in the condition in which they live. Animals living in very cold or hot climate must possess special features to protect themselves against the extreme cold or heat. Features and habits that help animals to adapt to their surroundings are a result of a process of evolution। To survive in a particular type of climate, the animals have certain specific adaptation. For example, polar bears have special adaptations such as white fur, a layer of fat under the skin, strong sense of smell, wide and large paws which help them not only to swim well but also walk with ease in the snow. So certain kind of animals live in particular climate condition. Next question number 9 है, how do elephant living in the tropical rainforest adapt itself? Elephant has adapted to the condition of rainfall in many remarkable ways. Number one, there are large number of plants in tropical rainforest, so it can get its food easily. Number two, its trunk uses a nose because of which it has a strong sense of smell. Number three, the trunk is also used by it for picking up food. Number four, it just has modified teeth which can tear the bark of trees that elephant love to, and so that elephant is able to handle the competition for food rather well. Next, number five, large ears of the elephant help it to hear even very soft sound. They also help the elephant to keep food in the hot and humid climate. Next, choose the correct option. Number one, 10 है, it carnivore with strips on body moves very fast while catching its prey. It is likely to be found in a polar regions, the deserts, the oceans, and the tropical rainforest. तो आंसर आएगा डी tropical rainforest. Number 11, which creatures adapt polar bears to live in extremely cold climate? Option A, white fur, fat below skin, keen sense of smell, with thin skin, large eyes, a white fur. Number C, a long tail, skin loose, white large paws. Number D, white body pose for swimming, gills for respiration. तो आंसर आएगा ए white fur, fat below skin, keen sense of smell. Next, number 12 है, which option describes a tropical region? A hot and humid, the moderate temperature, heavy rainfall, the cold and humid, the hot and dry. आंसर आएगा हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड की. आंसर आएगा ए हॉट. ये आपका यहाँ पे कंप्लीट करती हूँ. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन बताऊँगी. ये आपको क्लास की बुक में और होमवर्क की बुक में लिखना है. इसे लर्न भी करना है. ठीक है, खाली लिखना नहीं है, लर्न भी करना है. थैंक यू.